Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by placing the cookie maker on a flat, heat-safe counter and plugging it in. This prevents uneven sheets or electrical faults. Next, you load chilled dough into the hopper. Cold dough prevents spreading. Once done, attach the correct cookie plate and lock the carriage so shapes stay consistent. You should set the thickness to 1/2 inch and select the lowest speed for first runs, because slower extrusion gives you predictable sizing and avoids jams. You press start and monitor the feed. Once the motor engages, watch the dough form shapes on the tray so you can adjust speed immediately if shapes elongate. Make adjustments, slightly increase speed for thicker dough or reduce for softer dough, because the machine's torque affects shape fidelity. Then slide the tray into the preheated oven or use the integrated bake chamber. Set the timer for 10 to 14 minutes. While baking, rotate trays halfway through. You remove cookies and cool them on a rack for 3 to 5 minutes so they set and retain shape. Do not stack while hot. Once cooled, package or store in airtight containers. Then clean the hopper and plates within 30 minutes to prevent hardened residue. If you encounter a jam, stop the machine immediately and unplug it. Then clear debris, inspect the extrusion path and check belt tension. That quick check prevents motor strain and keeps your next batch consistent.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.